Today we're making Accra, and we have a pound of saltfish here that has been soaked in hot water and washed and rinsed out. And I cut up 3 little leaves of bandonier. Take a bunch of thyme and just I also have 5 cloves of garlic, a Scotch bonnet pepper, and an onion. Okay, so we're gonna put the onion in there. We have celery chopped up in here, a Scotch bonnet pepper, and a pimento pepper, and we're going to chop that up as well. Alright. So we have all the seasoning in a bowl. We're just gonna stir it up. I'm gonna mash up the saltfish nice and fine. Well, this is the texture of the saltfish when it's fine. We mashed it up. It's all ready to be seasoned. Okay, so we're gonna take the seasoning that we mixed before: onion, celery, bandonier, Scotch bonnet pepper, and a pimento pepper, and some thyme, and we're gonna put it all in the saltfish. Mix it up. Okay, we have 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add that in there. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of yeast. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, mix it. So we mixed up the flour, and now we're gonna add all of the saltfish and seasoning into the flour. That's like a cup.
Yeah, add a cup of water.
We're gonna cover it for 20 minutes. So we're gonna put 2 cups of oil in a wok. Alright, we're gonna take a tablespoon. It's really good.